The next topic is about how we sharpen our pencils in a special way. We don't use a regular sharpener because sometimes softer pencils, like the B series, break in a sharpener. Even with a blade, they can break. That's why we need to learn how to sharpen them properly. If you want to learn sharpening more carefully and in detail, I'll put the full video up here in the corner. You can click and watch it, then come back here to continue this video. But now, I'll give you a short explanation. Here are some pencils that I already sharpened. They are a little used, so the tips are not very sharp anymore. This one, for example, is a 2B pencil. It has a longer tip, but this one is a 6B pencil. The tip is shorter because 6B is softer and breaks more easily. In general, the softer the pencil, the shorter we sharpen it. The harder the pencil, the longer we can sharpen it because it's stronger and doesn't break easily unless you drop it on a hard surface. So always try not to drop your pencils because even the inside core can break. Later, when you sharpen it, you'll see the lead is already crushed. Now, how do we sharpen it? On one side, we cut away more of the wood, so the lead shows more. On the other side, we cut away less wood, so the wood can support the tip and protect it from breaking. If you are right-handed, hold the pencil in your left hand and the cutter in your right hand. I am right-handed, so I do it this way. The cutter has a sharp edge, and many people make the mistake of holding it the wrong way, which can cut their hand. Don't press with the very tip of the blade. Instead, use a little farther back. Hold it steady with your left hand and push the cutter forward gently. The right hand only guides. Don't push too hard with your right hand. After sharpening, your pencil should look like this. Okay? But the tip is still not super sharp. For that, we use sandpaper. You gently roll the pencil on the sandpaper like this without pressing too hard, and then check the tip to see if it is sharp enough. Don't blow on the pencil dust, because it will make your room messy. And that's it. The softer pencil, like 6B, is sharpened the same way, just shorter. Done. Now, let's go to the next part of this lesson, how to hold your pencil correctly for drawing.